Good morning and welcome to Channel V, your source for Vodafone customer news. As you know, Vodafone is obsessed with the customer. Our colleagues have access to continually updated information about customers across the nation, including live updated network coverage and call stats on these 4 LCDs in our lobby. It looks a little like the bridge of the Starship Enterprise. Still, no signs of intelligent life. Oh, there's one. Let's check in with Pani Janyi to find out how this program started.
We kicked off the Customer Obsession program in October with the Customer Days. 150 people have already participated in it. But with the help of the Customer News, we would like to involve all the employees.
Absolutely. Sounds like it's going quite well. Ferenc, what helped you achieve this great success?
Implementing the Customer News program was all about speed and teamwork. The biggest challenge was the sheer volume of location we needed to cover, but it's a best practice now and I'm really proud of our team.
Super cool. All right, now let's go to our reporter in the field, Beatrix.
Thanks, Balázs. I'm here with Budapest colleague Melita Hari. Hello, Melita. Can you tell us what customer news is most important to you?
Well, I'm from Nagykanizsa, so I always keep track of how many customers they have in the Vodafone shop there, and I cheer them on when I see the numbers going up.
Adorable. We also spoke with recently hired Agnes Kish about her experience with the Customer News Wall.
So when I came in for my interview and saw the big brands we partner with on the screen, I remember thinking it's good to be on the Vodafone team.
And we're so glad to have you, Ági. Szabolcs, what interests you in customer news?
Okay, so I'm always checking the coverage updates. My parents are living in Cegléd, and they were really happy when I told them that we built a new tower there. Thanks.
Customer satisfaction is what we're all about here, and each individual effort is appreciated. Greta Almási had this to say about the recognition she received.
Nagyon büszke voltam, amikor láttam a nevemet az ügyfélhíradóba. Manapság olyan ritkán kap az ember írásos köszönetet.
When it comes to the environment, each person has an impact. Gerda Katona will tell us a little about e-billing.
I'm very proud of this service. Since the October launch, we have more than 14,000 e-billing customers. Half of them joined after beginning our incentive program in January.
E-billing is also the easiest way to keep the environment happy. Easier, for example, than starting a knitting circle for bears.
Of course, sure. Individual efforts are essential to satisfying the customer, which is why we created a special place to receive our colleagues' ideas, big or small.
I'm down here at the Idea Box, Balázs, and let me tell you, so many of our colleagues have such big ideas, we might need a bigger box.
That's all for us here at Channel V. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and remember, stay obsessed. Now I'll leave you with this week's Moment of Zen.